I visited a homewares place the other day, kitchen homewares place, and I found these little containers, and I thought, gee, they'd be really nice to actually make a sterling silver lid to them with a little handle. There can be a cruet set for mustard, salts, peppers, things like that. And I think what I might do is also make some spoons to go with each as well. I think even something to house olives. We might even make a little olive pick. So I think that's what we'll do today. So I'm going to actually start to work out my design. Very simple, keep it really simple. And I think what we'll look at is a slight contour. It looks similar to that. And then an inner rim, which will go down inside there to hold the lid in place. So something similar to that. And I think what I might do is actually have an idea, some different sort of handles for the lid, and something very, very simple, always keeping it simple, high polish on the top, maybe a satin finish on the inside. I think that should do that design. Okay, let's go for it. Working out our dimensions, that's about 70 millimeters across, and I'm going to check to make sure that each one is the same, which that one is the same, and that one's the same. Perfect. Because if they're slightly varied, then obviously you have to make each one specifically for the piece that you're working on. So if that's 70 mil, I'm going to make this, say, across there, I'm going to make it at 80 millimeters. And the depth for my internal sleeve, probably say around about 5 millimeters. And then the depth of this section, I'd say probably double that. So we'll look at around about 10 mil. And then this top part here, as long as I've got enough room to hold on to the lid, I'd say probably 20 mil. So now what I need to work out is my internal diameter for this section here. And then I'm going to cut 3 strips, and we're looking at around about 65 millimeters. Now that's going to give me a little bit of movement as well, so it's not going to be a tight fit, but a snug fit. So we'll make it at 65 millimeters inside. So this section between there to there is 65 millimeters. So that's given me my basic shape. I think that'll look pretty good. Very simple. So now with our sterling silver, I'm going to probably use something around the thickness of around about, say, 0.7 in millimeters in thickness. Doesn't need to be too thick. Anything that's too thick just makes it relatively heavy, and that's unnecessary, but you do want to have some stability in the piece. 0.7 with that sort of a contour will be strong enough. And I'd say 0.7 for the inside of our rim as well. Okay, let's go to it.